Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand Elite Visa. We've done other videos on this where we compare it to permanent residence, but a recent article came to my attention and I thought it was worth noting it. It came out August 23rd, 2021, so relatively recent. And there's just some misnomers in here, and I wanted to kind of note them and do this video so that people are aware. Some could argue this is a semantic difference, but no, it's not semantics. It's a substantive difference here. So this article is titled, Thailand Residency Visa Program Hit as COVID Spooks Chinese. And this is from Nikkei.com. That's asia.nikkei.com. Again, the title is Thailand Residency Visa Program Hit as COVID Spooks Chinese. Quoting directly, and these are the relevant, this is a really pretty long, insightful article. I urge those who are watching this video, go check it out, read it in full. I'm just going to quote a couple of excerpts here so I can use it to kind of explain the difference between permanent residence in Thailand and Thailand Elite Visa status. Quoting directly, after achieving 2 years of record growth, Thailand's long-term residence program, the quote elite visa unquote, is now stalling. The program faces myriad challenges. COVID-19 cases keep surging to record highs. Anti-government protesters are again taking to the streets, and the visa initiative's leader has resigned. These elite visas are Thailand's version of permanent residency permits. Foreigners will have to pay at least 600,000 baht, or $17,947, to enroll in the program, which allows them to stay in the kingdom for 5 to 20 years without having to leave its borders. Yeah, there's just a lot. I'm sure folks that watch this video, watch this channel frequently, will already know what I'm going to point out. Well, first of all, it's not permanent residence. That's not what it is. It's a non-immigrant visa that confers 1 year of status for, you get them in the sticker, the visa sticker itself, is for 5-year increments. And upon each entry to Thailand, you get 1 year of lawful status, or you can renew it in 1 year increments. You can extend status in 1 year increments. It is not just, you just come in and you're here for 5 years. It's not how it works. It's also not permanent residence. There is permanent residence in Thailand. It is a different thing. And permanent residence in Thailand, it's governed by an entirely different section of the Immigration Act of '79, which, for example, TM30 and the 90-day reporting apply to non-immigrant visas. Well, they apply to the elite visa. Folks that have a Thailand elite visa still have to do 90-day reporting. They still have to do TM30. It does not apply to permanent residence. If you have permanent residence, aka immigrant visa status in Thailand, if you're an immigrant and you have been registered as such through the immigration system here, and there are prerequisite requirements. There's a certain time period you've got to be in Thailand. You've got to maintain work permit status, generally speaking. You've got to maintain long-term unbroken status in order to meet, and certain salary requirements, etc. There's also kind of a point system associated with it. You have to do all of that to overcome the requirements in order to get permanent residence. Elite visa status is not residence. In a sense, it's just a really long tourist visa. That's kind of the best way to put it. Although it is a non-immigrant visa, so to be clear, it's an NIV category, but as opposed to a tourist category, TR. But that said, it does not confer lawful permanent residence, and thinking it does is a big misnomer. And I've seen people that have made that mistake and just thought, oh, okay, I've gotten this, and I'm just here for 5 years now. And they, lo and behold, they go look at their passport or they leave the country 13, 14 months later, and wow, they're in overstay because they didn't maintain their extension status by extending their elite visa status. So the thing to take away from this video is, no, in fact, elite visa status is not permanent residence.